Ladies and gentlemen, today we are looking at Glencoe Accelerated Math Lesson 4-6 on square roots and cube roots. So, for us to know what we're doing, first we need to know, what does it mean for a number to be squared? What does it mean for a number to be squared? Yes, ma'am. Alright, so that means that we're taking some value, some term, and we're multiplying it by itself. That's the number squared or to an exponent of 2. What is a cube? If we cube something. Yes?
It's where you take something and multiply it by itself 3 different times.
Okay, so it's something taken to the third power. Alright, what would a root be, do you think?
The number that can be multiplied by itself to get to the next number.
Okay, so it's like taking the square or the cube backwards, right? Okay, now, square roots and cube roots, you can do them on a calculator. Sometimes we have what's called a perfect square or a perfect cube. What do you think that would be?
A whole number.
Right, that would be when our answer is a whole number. That would mean that everything else is a non-perfect square or a non-perfect cube. Okay? Do we know of any perfect squares? Yes, ma'am.
4, 2 into 4.
So 4, because 2 times 2 equals 4. Any else?
16.
16. What's the square root of 16? 4.
64.
What's the square root of 64? 8. Okay.
144.
What's the square root of 144? 12.
36.
Which is?
6.
Square root of, there we go.
100.
Which is?
10.
There we go. Okay. So we're pretty good with our squares. Do we know any cubes?
1000.
Which would be 10 to the third. Okay.
9.
Which would be what?
3.
9 would be the square of 3, not the cube. What would be? No.
27.
Okay. What's the cube root of 27?